Are you in need of professional garage door cable replacement services in Scarborough? Look no further. Welcome to Dotec Garage Doors, your ultimate choice for all your garage door cable needs. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top-notch services we offer and why choosing Dotec Garage Doors is the right decision for you. At Dotec Garage Doors, we understand the importance of having a fully functional garage door. That's why we specialize in installing new cables and replacing frayed or broken ones for both residential and commercial overhead doors. Our team of licensed door installers in Scarborough is well equipped to replace cables for any make and model of overhead door at an affordable price. No matter what type of garage door you have, whether it's steel or timber, Dotec Garage Doors has the expertise to handle them all. We offer same-day and emergency response services to ensure you don't have to deal with a faulty door for long. How can you tell if your garage door cables are faulty? Here are some common symptoms to watch out for. Garage door not opening properly, jammed or stuck overhead door, door exhibiting weird and loud noise, misaligned tracks and loose cables. If you notice any of these problems, don't hesitate to call our experienced technicians at Dotec Garage Doors. We have the latest equipment and tools to keep your garage door running like new. Our services include cable inspection, installation, repair, and replacement. If your existing cable is frayed or worn out, we replace it with a brand new one, ensuring your overhead door operates smoothly, noise-free, efficiently, and safely. When it comes to garage door cable replacement, Dotec Garage Doors is your trusted partner. We'll get your door back up and running in no time, using only high-quality materials and workmanship backed by our satisfaction guarantee. So, whether you need garage door cable replacement or repair, Dotec Garage Doors is here for you. Don't wait until your cables break. Call us today for fast and affordable garage door cable services.